To use English as the main language, press the
once you choose the language English, next there is a welcome screen to choose your region. As I am staying in Saudi Arabia, I am going to choose Saudi Arabia. Next you are going to select your Wi-Fi network. You select your Wi-Fi network and just enter your password. And then next you are going to try again and put the correct password, and then you go to the data and privacy. You have to agree, continue, and the next step is transform. It's going to ask you to transfer information into this Max. You can choose whichever is good for you. It's going to ask you to new Apple ID. You have to create a new Apple ID if you don't have. So first you are going to enter your date of birth, and then after entering your date of birth you are going to add all your details like name, and then your create email ID and password for your new Apple ID. After that it's going to confirm your phone number, where it is going to send you an OTP, and you can enter the OTP received on your mobile phone. And after entering your OTP, now you have to accept the terms and conditions, agree, click agree, and then your Apple ID is created. It's been done. After all the steps, the Apple ID is created. Now it's one more thing, you have to create your computer account. It's also easy, just to make your all data should be safe. To go to your iCloud, should not be hacked, so your account is set up. You can set up with your Siri, which takes the voice command. You have maps, analytics, iCloud analytics. So after agreeing and continuing and choosing your space, disk space, and your looks, Then whichever is comfortable, you go to the next, and it's going to set up your Mac, and then it's ready. You can see this beautiful screen of MacBook Air. You can see down there is a dock. In dock you have many things. You have system preferences, you have Apple Store, and in the system preferences you can choose your display, appearances, many things you have in your general settings. That is your system preferences. You can go to the dock, you can choose the style of the dock, and you can see in what way your dock should be appeared. It's a normal scaling or a genie effect. I have chose the genie effect, which like comes out of like a genie, and you can see there a lot of things. And on the top of the corner there's an Apple icon on the top left corner, and here in the dock you can see there's iTunes, there is notes, pages, phone, photos, images, Siri. Even you have the Safari browser special for the MacBook. You can just, I'm going to test it, just putting google.co.in, and you can see how the web page opens here, and it opens here. I think the speed of the MacBook is always good compared with the other brands. And I'm just going to test, I'm going to just open another web page, ESPN Cricket Info, and let me see how it fastly opens. Yes, it's open in a flash, and you see the streaming, the processor and the speed. Its MacBook is very good. You can experience it, and you can have a voice command, Siri, which takes your voice command and it will help you. And you can see it's asking you what you can ask, and so many things you can do here. And I pressed hello.
Hi, I'm
Yes.
Siri.
How
Can I help you?
And I asked what's the weather.
What is
The
the
next
weather today?
Command was what is the weather, and it gave my weather report for the Buraida.
Here's the weather today.
So Siri is fantastic. I mean, it's just
Oh.
you just experience it when you use Siri command. It's showing my weather report. You can see. So this is my demonstration for the MacBook Air setup, and you can log out from that. On your left side on the top there's the Apple icon, and you can do shutdown, you can do restart. So I'm going to shut down it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my Sunil vlog, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Also you will get the notification. Thanks.